everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. Happy New Year and happy WIP Wednesday. I am back in the game. I took a little bit of time off for the holidays, but we are back in the studio. We're going to be filming and we are going to be giving you new projects, new fashion pieces. I have a few ideas on the hook right now actually for different projects, and I have some chunky yarn projects which I'm really excited to share with you. So I have a nice cowl coming up, and I also have a nice shawl and some other fun projects, and then soon Valentine's Day. The Valentine's puns are very popular every year, so I'm hoping to do something for Valentine's Day this year as well. Nasser is over there being so cute. He's almost 7 months old and he is just so wonderful. We had his first Christmas and we had just such a fun time with family, and it was great to just see everybody and spend time together and make some wonderful memories. I hope you all did the same. Let me know if you have New Year's resolutions this year. I plan to craft more and more and more like every year. And also my parents invested in Fitbits for the whole family, which was super fabulous. Thanks, Mom and Dad. And so we have fabulous Fitbits, and we are challenging each other to move more in the new year just to remain healthy and stay healthy for the family. So we are excited to keep moving and moving forward and everything like that. So let me know what your New Year's resolution is, though. I'd like to hear in the comments. And one more thing I do want to discuss. I did share a post a couple days ago about the course that Nikki's Homemade Crafts is actually teaching a workshop up until I think it's January 20th, and then the course starts. So the free workshop is available to you. You can sign up to get I think it's a workbook in your email, and then information about the workshop that she is teaching. And the workshop she is teaching is how to change colors in crochet with different tips and tricks. Now, some of you know it can be easy to, change color, but there are different tips and tricks that you have probably not heard of that she is going to teach in her workshop and furthermore into her course. So I want to share a link to you guys, and you can check out her site and you can scroll through it on seeing how what you'll get in this workshop, what you'll get in the course, and what dates they are, and if you can attend and get the information from her course. It's super fabulous, and there are so many different things you can do with changing color in crochet. There's different things like graph gans that change color so often. There's different, like plaid is a big color changing, and not to like twist your yarn, how to like keep it all nice and like clean and straight and not get any tangles, and how to sew in your ends as you go, as well as sewing them in later and what's easier, and just different tips and tricks like that. So she'll share all of that information with you, plus more. I'm sure there's a lot more that she has to share in her workshop and course. So make sure you check out that link in the description of this video and sign up for her workshop. It's free, so you can check out the workshop. And then if you are so inclined to check out the course afterwards, it is definitely worth it. And if you are getting more and more serious into crochet, and if you are a beginner, I highly recommend this for sure. So make sure to check that out. Also, coming up soon, not this Friday, but I'm hoping to do next Friday, is Free Pattern Friday. Once a month, every month, I share a free PDF pattern file, I guess, on my website for you to download for free. I usually sell my patterns as a PDF file on Etsy or Ravelry, but once a month I'll share one pattern for free for 24 hours, and you can jump on the website, grab it, and save it forever. for free, so no cost to you. All my patterns are free on my website, but my website has ads and some people don't like to scroll through, so they just want to get the pattern and keep it forever. And also my video tutorials on YouTube are free as well, so you can check out the YouTube channel and subscribe. And yeah, we are close to 300,000 people on YouTube subscribing to our channel, so thank you to everybody who has subscribed. And make sure if you haven't hit the subscribe button, do that now if you're watching on YouTube. I would really love your support this new year. So that's basically all I had to talk about. We have some really exciting things in the new year planned, and I am excited to share it with all of you. So let me know what's on your hook today. I actually have my bag down here. I have a couple projects, like I said. Chunky yarn project right here. Fabulous. You can hear Nasser. And also that shawl. I was working on this last year and I kind of just put it to the wayside. So I'm working on this pattern as well soon. So tutorials for these two projects will be coming up very soon. My bag is overflowing. I've got like 5 of these bags just stuffed with projects I gotta finish. So that's my plan in the new year, is just finishing projects and sharing them with you. So until next time, happy hooking! Nasser, say happy hooking! Bye!